So guided surgery when you're doing dental implants, you believe that's how it should be done. Tell me what you're doing.
Once I started doing guided surgery, I have not stopped doing that the old-fashioned way.
What does it mean, guided, by the way?
Very
as
good
far as implants.
Very good question. The old times, even in 2011 when I started learning how to do implants, we would just make an incision, open up the gum, take a look at the bone, say, oh, okay, there's bone in here. I'm gonna place my bone over here.
It's still done like that today, though.
Some places,
okay,
sure,
okay.
sure, and that's the past. The new technology, we have a 3D image of the patient.
Okay.
We can digitally on the computer place that implant in the best location, even verify if you're even a good candidate for the implant before we even place it. Through that technology, we also make sure that the implant is in the right direction, so when we put the tooth on top of it, it is in the best contact with the opposing tooth.
So it's like a surgical guide that you just follow based on their anatomy on the computer.
Exactly. And what it does, not only it creates a guide for me to know where exactly the best place to place that implant, it makes it very predictable for the patient. And it's very easy for the patient. Something that could have taken maybe an hour to do, now it takes only 10 minutes.
So is it less downtime for the patient because maybe less cutting of the tissue?
Absolutely.
Okay.
All of that is there's so many benefits to the patients and the surgeon as well. Makes this procedure more predictable, faster, better, and placed in the perfect area where the bone is. I mean, it's a win-win-win situation for everyone.
So if you're going to get this done, you ask, are you doing guided?
If I had to place an implant for myself, that's what I want.